Hello, in this video I'm going to tell about sequence alignment. In bioinformatics, a sequence alignment is a way of arranging the sequences of DNA, RNA, or protein to identify regions of similarity that may be a consequence of functional, structural, or evolutionary relationships between the sequences. It is an important first step toward structural and functional analysis of newly determined sequences. As new biological sequences are being generated at exponential rate, sequence comparison is becoming increasingly important to draw functional and evolutionary inference. The sequence alignment is made between a known sequence and an unknown sequence, or between two unknown sequences. The known sequence is called a reference sequence. The unknown sequence is called query sequence. Types of sequence alignment. Sequence alignment is of two types, namely global alignment and local alignment. Global alignment program is based on Needleman-Wunsch algorithm. In global alignment, two sequences to be aligned are assumed to be generally similar over the interlength. Alignment is carried out from beginning to end of path sequence to find the best possible alignment across the interlength between the two sequences. Input: treat the two sequences as potentially equivalent. Goal: identify conserved regions and differences. Local alignment. Local alignment program is based on Smith-Waterman. Local alignment, on the other hand, does not assume that the two sequences in the question have similarity of the entry length. It only finds local regions with the highest level of similarity between the two sequences and aligns these regions without regard for alignment of the rest of the sequence regions. Pairwise sequence alignment. Pairwise sequence alignment methods are used to find the best matching pathwise, local or global alignments of two query sequences. Pairwise sequence alignment can only be used between two sequences at a time, but they are efficient to calculate. The three primary methods of producing pairwise alignments. First, dot matrix method, it is old method. Second, the dynamic programming algorithm, advanced method. Third, word or key tuple methods. Dot matrix method is useful for the following studies: sequence similarity between two nucleotide sequences or two amino acid sequences, insertion of short stretches in DNA or amino acid sequence, deletion of the short stretches from DNA or amino acid sequence, repeats or inserted repeats in DNA or amino acid sequence. Dynamic programming method. It was introduced by Richard Bellman in 1940. The word programming here denotes finding an acceptable plan of action, not computer programming. It is useful in aligning nucleotide sequences of DNA and amino acid sequence of protein coded by that DNA. Dynamic programming is a three-step process that involves: first, breaking of problem into small sub-problems. Second, solving sub-problems using recursive methods. Third, construction of optimal solutions for original problem using the optimal solutions. Last method is word method or key tuple method. It is used to find an optimal alignment solution, but is more than dynamic programming. This method is useful in large-scale database searches to find whether there is significant match available with the query sequence. Word method is used in database search tools FASTA and the BLAST family. They identify a series of short, non-overlapping subsequences words of query sequence. That's all. Thank you for your attention.